Welcome to Talim English. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about friendship. I hope that by listening to the story, your English pronunciation, listening skills, and speaking ability will improve. And of course, you'll also enjoy the story a lot. Once upon a time, there were two best friends, Rahim and Karim. They did everything together, went to school, played, and shared their dreams. One morning, while walking to school, Rahim slipped and fell. He hurt his knee and it started bleeding. Karim could have gone ahead, but he didn't. He helped Rahim stand up, washed the wound, and tied it with a cloth. Then he carried him home safely. That day, Rahim couldn't go to school, but he learned something very special: what true friendship really means. With a smile, Rahim said, "A real friend stands beside you not only in happiness but also in pain." Karim smiled back and said, "That's why we are true friends."